Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. Now the only issue is that I threw out my box before I was doing this video. So there is no pink box for me to show you. I already know what I got because I actually opened it, took everything out, threw out the box, and I was like, oh my god, I did not even film. But you know what, it is okay. So it is going to be a quick simple video. I'm just going to go over the items that I received, the add-ons that I bought as well, and let you know the sum of the box, and that's it. So next month what I will try to do is do a try-on style, and I will try to remember to keep the box. So if you are interested in seeing what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then just keep on watching. So if you are new here, I just want to say hi, my name is Victoria, and I'm just so thankful that you decided to click this video. It is a little bit of a mess, but it is okay. Next month will be better. So, as most of you already know, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, so it usually comes up to $27.22 with taxes. And then you also have an option of doing add-ons. Usually before the add-ons was only 3, now you can do up to 5. So some of them are like full-size items and you can pay $12. Some I think were $7, I don't know. But then I know there's $3 add-ons, and $3 add-ons are usually the little samples that will come in the regular Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now I did have the Ultimate for the first month. It sucked. I canceled so quick. It is what it is. And even now when I watch unboxings, I don't find them interesting. Anyways, let me not ramble because it is very late. So I'm just going to basically tell you what I got, tell you the prices and all of that. I feel so awkward because I don't have a box. Okay, so the first thing I got was this Pearlise Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. Now, I have gotten 2 other items. I have gotten like a face serum and then a SPF moisturizer from this brand and the Blue Lotus, so I'm guessing because I put that I loved it, that is the reason why they keep on sending me it, but I don't mind. So this retails for $58. It says it hydrates, intensely firms and brightens, decreases puffiness, all skin types plus sensitive skin. Okay, so this is supposed to target fine lines, crow's feet, dark circles, and puffiness. And it says if your concealer is creasing, then apply the serum underneath to lend extra life to your coverage and minimize fine lines, giving under eyes a brighter, tightener appearance. So basically I am 29 years old and I do notice I have some creasing underneath. Which is why sometimes I don't even put concealer because I don't feel like I have dark circles. I mean, if I keep on staying up this late, then most likely I will. But I'm going to give this a try. So I think what's going to happen is I'm going to try these products out for a month. And then next month I'm going to tell you, my updated thoughts on it. Because I haven't tried this yet, but this seems really interesting. And for $58, that already paid for the price of my box. So the next thing I wasn't kind of excited about, it is this Nature's Cartel lipstick in Gin and Platonic. I never heard of this brand. I want to say it's Cartel, unless I'm like, making words up. But I love the packaging because it feels really sleek and just white. The color, I'm not going to lie, it's pretty. I wasn't going to swatch it. Do I want to swatch it? You know what? I'm actually not going to swatch this. I'm going to save this for a giveaway. I am very close to 1K, so I want to do a giveaway soon. I was going to swatch it at first, but I'm not even going to because I know that I'm not going to use it. So the lipstick retails for $15. It's not bad. It's like a regular lipstick. It's okay. So the next item I got, I'm also not going to open it, is because it is a Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in black. So I mentioned this in my Will I Buy It. Why did I go like this if I wasn't going to open it? So I mentioned in my Will I Buy, like new makeup releases, that I don't normally buy eyeliners because I get so much in Ipsy and BoxyCharm, but I mainly get in Ipsy because I put that I love it. So of course, here's another eyeliner. I'm not even mad at it. I have not bought an eyeliner in 4 years probably. I think about 4 years. So that eyeliner retails for $11.99, which is not bad. It's like a regular price. It's actually really not bad at all. I do want to test it out just to see if it is waterproof, but I'll do that sometime, you know, in the month. So the next thing is the Skin Meditation Gel Cream. This is from Noors, I want to say, and this retails for $36. So I never heard of this brand. It does have a pump. I'm not going to give it a try right now. It's like 4 in the morning, or almost 4 in the morning, and I have a full face of makeup on, so I haven't really tried it yet. So it says fluctuating hormones, especially around your period, can make your skin super sensitive. Luckily, this soothing gel cream is here to help it chill out. It's loaded with cooling peppermint oil and hydrating hyaluronic acid to give you soft, dewy skin at every stage of your monthly cycle. Wow, this retails for $36, so this is actually cheaper than the Perlice Eye Serum, but this one I'm actually more interested in it just because it says it helps your skin cool out. So I honestly look forward to giving this a try. I don't even think I'm going to put it back in the box because I really want to give this a try. So the last item is something that I actually had the choice and I picked it, and I'm so excited for it because I wanted it so bad. So I love Huda Beauty's formula, and then she did have a great sale for Black Friday where her Obsession palettes was $10. I was so tempted and I put a bunch of them in my cart, of course the ones I didn't have, and then I told myself I didn't need it, so I took them out. And when I went to go back to repurchase, unfortunately there was no more in stock. So of course when I seen this as like an option for me to choose, I picked it. So this is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. It's stunning. It is so beautiful. Like, you have no idea how excited I am for this palette. So a part of me didn't fall for it at first because I was like, I have the ColourPop It's My Pleasure palette, I have the 39S palette, and I have so many palettes in my collection that I have not used yet. But I am so excited that I got this. So the last 3 items are add-on items. So this one is the Ofra lip gloss from the Madison Miller collection. I will swatch this for you. Now, I use this for my points. I think it was like 600 points or something like that. At first, when they had it in the box, I was like, where the hell did this come from? But then I remembered I cashed in some points. So it's just a lip gloss. It's not even sticky. It feels really good. So I actually look forward to using this. I have a lot of lip glosses, so I really need to get through at least one because I have never finished a lip gloss before, which is absolutely insane. Now the next add-on was $12, and it is a Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. It has one of the best formulas when it comes to liquid lips, and when it comes to even her bullet lipsticks. They are absolutely amazing. So there's this shade that me and my best friend really love. The shade is called Bombshell, and I think I got it in one of those Sephora favorites around the holidays. I really liked it, and my best friend really liked it, so I gave it to her. And then one day we went to IMAX together. She left it in my bag, so I took it back. I was using it, and then we seen each other. I gave it back to her, and then she left it in my bag again. Basically, we have been passing this liquid lipstick like if we can't afford to buy another one, but it's just that good, okay? And I don't even think we even thought about buying another one. We just was passing it around. So let me swatch this for you. This is the perfect fall shade. It's so beautiful. It's like a neutral brownish shade, and I really like it. I could see me wearing this in a future video, definitely. The last add-on that I picked, because I know you could pick 5 add-ons, but I still tried to limit to only 2 add-ons because realistically I don't need anything else in my collection, and I'm already pushing it with 3 Boxy Charms and now, you know, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which I have for about a year. I couldn't resist. It is the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. So beautiful. This is so beautiful. And now, I'm not going to lie, I want the red one. So basically, when it was time for me to pick this one, it was between this one and the red one. And I think they had the blue one up there. And of course I picked this one because I wanted it extremely bad. So I was kind of hoping that in the add-ons it was this and the red one, but unfortunately the red one wasn't up there. So I am hoping that next month I will be able to purchase the red one, especially for $12. But this is stunning. Alright guys, so that was everything in my box. The 5 items that they sent to me retailed for $147.99. And then of course I paid $24 for this because they were basically $12 each. I paid $27.22. And I basically have $148, and all I did was pay $27.22. So you cannot beat that. I got Huda Beauty, which I'm really, really excited about, and I cannot wait to play in them. So definitely let me know if you would like to see a look with this. It's old, but hey, it's a video, right? So that is it for this video. I'm just so sorry that this video is a mess. I don't have a box. It's chaotic. I do apologize, but hopefully next month will be better. If this is your first video that you're seeing of me, oof, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But anyway, I'm going to end this video with a thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye.